back. Today I'll show you how to use the engineer mode on the VIVO V11. Before entering engineer mode, you need to enable developer options. Go to Settings, select More Settings, then About Phone, and scroll down to find Software Version. Tap a couple of times on Software Version and now you're in Developer mode. Now you can use engineer mode. Open the phone dialer and use this code, *#*3646633#**. As you can see, engineer mode pops up. Enable developer options first, so go to Settings, More Settings, Developer Options, and enable them. Now use the code again and engineer mode pops up. You can use the telephony section for antenna tests, or swipe left for connectivity like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can also use hardware testing to test audio, camera, memory, power, location, and more. To quit this mode, press the back key and everything goes back to normal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.